And I want y'all to know STEM is for everyone, including girls. STEM's not just for them. STEM's not just for them. STEM's not just for them. STEM's not just for them.
Welcome to Divaneering Lab. My name is Shauna Step-Jones, the Divaneer. Today, we will be exploring the connection between chemistry and cosmetics and how to color your smile right in your kitchen or classroom. Okay, Divaneers, are y'all ready?
Yeah!
Before we get started, to all my Divaneers at home, please be sure that you're working in a clean home lab environment. The following items are inside of your kit. Inside your boxes, ladies, you'll find goggles. Pull out your goggles. You can put your goggles on. And this is to protect your eyes. Because we're in a lab environment. We want to protect our eyes. And you have your lab jackets. Everyone put your lab jackets on. Okay, so inside of your box, pull out your hot plate. This is your hot plate. And the hot plate is what we're going to get our heat from, okay? And also pull out your beaker. Everyone, beaker. Say beaker. Okay, so your beaker is going to go on top of your hot plate, okay? So you can sit your beaker on top of your hot plate. All right, everyone has their beaker. You have yours, Layla, Skylar, you have your beaker? It's on top of your hot plate? Okay, so this is your heat source, okay? Right. Next, we have a stirrer, okay? So pull out your stirrer. You can put that on the side. Look in your box. Everyone should have a stirrer. You don't have one, Lyric? This is the mixer. You have yours? Yes, Skylar. Place it next to your hot plate. It's glittery. Yes. Great observation. All right. And then we have a pipette. Okay? This is the pipette. Skylar, find your pipette. We need you to pull out your pipette. Okay? We're going to use the pipette to transfer our ingredients. Yes. Say pipette. Everyone say pipette. Yes.
It's sticky.
It's sticky? Yeah, so it can stick to your hot plate. Next we have a syringe. Syringe. Everyone say syringe.
Syringe.
Yes, so pull your syringe out. And you're going to use your syringe to transfer your mixture from your beaker into your lipstick container. Everyone should have a lipstick container. Take it out. So lay your syringe down next to all of the rest of your tools. Yes. Yes, syringe. Yes, Skylar. Lay your syringe next to the table. And then we have a lipstick container. You can see the lipstick container? Everyone see it? Yes. If you twist off the eraser, you can twist it off. If you twist off the eraser, this is your lipstick applicator. Yes, this is the applicator. So this is what you'll use to put on your lipstick, right? All right, so you can put that back into your jar and twist it on up. Put your lipstick container next to you, next to your tools. Yes, yes, Lyric. Yes, Skylar, you got it? Yes, put it next to the rest of your tools. Layla, you got your tools? Yes, good job. Let me see, Sanaya. You have yours? Okay. And we also have a thermometer. Everyone has a thermometer? Yes. You have one? Okay, we want to lay and the thermometer is used to take temperature. Everyone say temperature.
Temperature.
Yes, so we're going to use this tool to collect the temperature. You got your thermometer, Skylar? All your tools laid out? Okay, all right. You ready to move on?
Yes.
Okay, let's go through our ingredients. Remember, purple jar, shea butter. Shea butter, yes. So you can, shea butter, yes. Put that, yes. Pull that out. Okay, everybody got their shea butter laid out, nice and neat. Yes, put your syringe back. Okay, in the orange container, we have cocoa butter.
Cocoa butter.
Yes, take your cocoa butter out. Yes, cocoa butter. Yes. And cocoa butter is used to moisturize, okay? So when you're thinking about what your lipstick is going to feel like, you want to think about cocoa butter being a moisturizer, okay? And shea butter is also a moisturizer. So you don't want a chapped lip, a dry lip. You're going to make sure you put some shea butter and some cocoa butter into your mixture, okay? In the blue jar, we have zinc oxide. Yes, and that's a powdery substance, right? Looks like powder. And so what the zinc oxide does is it gives you a matte texture. A matte, say matte. Matte. Yes, matte texture, okay? So if you're a matte girl, if you like a dry type of look, you would use some of that zinc oxide. You would pour that into your beaker, okay? And then in the white jar is vitamin E oil. Say vitamin E oil.
Vitamin E oil.
Now, if you girls like a shiny lip gloss, you're going to use some vitamin E oil, okay? This is where you're going to get that shine from. So if you like your lipstick to be shiny, you're going to put vitamin E oil, okay? Next, we have the pink jar. Pink, yes, Leah. Pink is jojoba oil. Everyone say jojoba oil. Yes. It is shiny. So if you want some shine, you're going to use some jojoba oil.
It feels like coconut.
It feels like, so that's the texture. That's a great observation. We want you all to make those observations. Are you ready?
Yes.
Black jar. We have castor oil. Everyone say castor oil.
Castor oil.
Yes, and so castor oil is going to it's going to help with that shine as well. It's going to make the texture a little thick. If you have like a little thick or sticky type of lipstick, you'll use some castor oil. That's for shine as well. Clear jar. What's in that clear jar, everyone? Glitter. You got your glitter, Skylar? Yes, you see it? Shake that joint up. So if you like to shine, we'll get it. It's okay. And last but not least, it should be one important thing. What is it? A crayon. Right. So everyone has a crayon. Right. What color crayon do you have? No, what? Pink. Okay. What color crayon? Light purple. Okay. That can be, all right, we're going to roll with that. And what do you have, Lyric? Dark purple. And what about you, Sanaya? Turquoise. Beautiful color. And you, last but not least, what color you have? Pink. I love pink, okay? And I have blue. The Divaneer, I have blue. So yes, Sanaya, we're on the same wavelength. Yes. Okay, so this is where we're going to get our color from, okay? In chemistry, we call it pigment. Everyone say pigment. Yes, so the pigment is the color. We call it pigment in chemistry, but it's the same thing. It's the color. And this is where we're going to get our color from. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to take the paper off of the crayon. So everyone should be peeling the paper off of your crayon. All right, ladies, let's head over to the heating station.
I'm a Divaneer.
So the first thing that we have to do is drop our crayon into the beaker so that it can start melting. Go ahead, drop it. And you can break it in half. Okay, you can break it in pieces if you need to. Good job, Skylar. Lyric, drop. You can break your crayon out. Put it into your beaker. That's enough pieces. Go ahead and drop and put your other one in there. Okay. Good job. I would break it in half so that it can get some of that heat. So cut it maybe smaller pieces. You got yours? Okay. Great job. You got oils? Okay. And see, the oil is going to help it melt faster, okay? So Lyric, as you take your stuff off, you can start pouring your ingredients. Yeah, you can use your pipette for the liquid stuff. Good job, Skylar.
Can I mix it now?
And stop. Okay, just pour it in then. You can pour it in. If you can't use the pipe, just pour it right on in.
I'm mixing.
Use your fingers. The pipet is this one. But this was for you to transfer the liquid stuff. So that's why you can put the solids right in there. Just use your fingers. Nothing but cocoa butter.
Can I put the glitter in?
We put the glitter in last. You have open up your other containers. You have 2 more
I
containers.
need help with this one.
You need help with that one? What about the black one? Can you open up the black one? All right, start pouring them in, Larry. Start adding your ingredients to your lipstick. This is.
Oh, that's really shea butter.
That is really shea butter. Good job.
Like we use for our skin.
Use like you use for your skin.
Can't even get that thing out.
Use your fingers. Yeah, you use your fingers. I'm just pouring it in there. You're good. You need help opening up some of your jars? Okay.
The oil.
And yes, good job, Skylar. You want to start mixing that stuff up as you're putting it in there because you're trying to melt it. Oh, it's coming in. You want to use the glitter now? You press for that glitter, ain't you, honey? We're going to put it, wait until your color start coming in.
Huh?
We want your color to come in a little bit more. You see it coming in, it's turning. Looks like it's turning orange. Did you get a new color? All right, so this is the part of the experiment. This takes about 20 minutes before all
20 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes, baby. But you need to keep mixing. You are a makeup mixing machine. So keep mixing. You are mixing that makeup. You're mixing that makeup. Lyric, yours is turning darker.
Mine's turning darker.
Don't pull it up yet. You're going to stick it in your beaker and you're going to draw up the syringe, okay? It has to be down first. It has the syringe, yes, it has to already be down. Push and then, yes, and you're going to pull it up. And when you pull it up, your mixture is going to fill the syringe, okay? Okay, so then once you have your syringe filled with your stuff, you're going to stick it over top of your jar. You're going to push. And when you push it, it's going to transfer your lipstick mixture into your container, okay? It's going to fill it up. Good job. What you going to do with your jar, Larry? And you going and then you're going to push it down. And that mixture is going to fill up your jar, right?
Yeah.
And then you're going to color your smile. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it.
Slim's not just for that. Slim's not just for that. Slim's not just for that. We are delicious, delicious, innovative, scientific. Delicious, delicious, innovative, scientific. Delicious, delicious, innovative, scientific. Delicious, delicious, innovative, scientific. I'm a divaneer. I'm a divaneer. I'm a divaneer. I can't hear y'all. We are divaneers. We are divaneers.
Beautiful sky.
Wow.
Lips are popping. Look at yourself in the mirror. Make sure it's, did you check it out?
Ooh, let me get a picture.
You see your edge around your, yeah, Miss B about to clean you up.
That's scary.
Beautiful. I love that it complements your glasses really well. How you feeling?
Good.
You like it? How about the consistency, the texture? It feels good. Is it sticky? No.
Teacher don't know it's lipstick.
Your teacher don't know it's lipstick?
Yeah, because it's actually a pencil.
And it's
It's like a pencil.
and what is it also? What ingredient is it? It's called crayon, right? Right? It's a crayon. And we're in the crayon we're using it to get the pigment.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Remember
take
that
this
word?
to school.
You gonna take it to school? Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this to school.
You are. And what are you going to tell your classmates about it?
Oh,
wait a minute, one at a time. I can't hear. All right, one at a time. I want to hear each of you. Go ahead, Lyric. Then we're going to come to you, Sky. Go ahead, Lyric. What are you going to tell your teacher and your classmates?
I'm gonna tell them that this is a pencil.
Okay. And you done? That's what you're going to tell them. What about you, Sky? What are you going to?
I'm gonna tell my friends. Shh, don't actually tell my teacher this is lipstick.
Good job. Okay, so we have one last thing that comes along with this kit, okay? Now that you all are beautiful, looking lovely, we have to affirm ourselves, okay? Because at Divaneering Lab, we build confidence and curiosity, okay? So we did the curiosity, we discovered. We learned about phases of matter, melting, pigments. Y'all gonna repeat after me, okay? And you can look in the mirror. I want everyone to grab that mirror because I want you to mean what you say, okay? So you gonna grab that mirror. So now you ready? We're gonna finish. We about to just do the last recording. Everybody got their mirrors? I need y'all to repeat after me, okay? We're gonna affirm ourselves. I am, look in your mirror. Turn it around, Skylar. Look at yourself. Yes, I am Divalicious. I am Divarific. I am innovative. Yes, you are. I am scientific. I am electrifying. I am magnetic. And last but not least, I need y'all to say this with pride and joy. You too, Skylar. You want to help me out with this? I am fearless. Yes. Thank you, ladies, for participating in Divaneering Lab. I really, really, really appreciate your help and your support. I want you all to tell everyone about your creations. Make sure you tell them that I'm a Divaneer. Say, I'm a Divaneer. Yes, you are, okay? All right. For tuning in to Divaneering Lab. We hope that you enjoyed our demonstration. To purchase a kit to present in your kitchen or classroom, please visit www.divaneering.org.